Hi, my name is Elizabeth Miller, and my current field placement is at a nonprofit agency. It's actually the same agency where I work in southern New Jersey, and I'm doing outpatient therapy. Although outpatient looks a little different right now because everything's being done remotely and via Zoom, so conducting telehealth sessions. Um, but nonetheless, that's my placement. And what I'm hoping to get out of this course is just to develop my skills more on when working with individuals who are experiencing grief and loss. Um, I have my own personal experience with losing loved ones really close to me. However, it's different in a professional capacity and providing services to those who've experienced that. Um, And that's why I think studying grief and loss is relevant to not only, my current role in my field setting, but also to my future career. Because no matter what social work profession I'll be in, I'm going to come across individuals who have experienced grief and or loss. And so it's definitely important to be able to provide them with the best clinical professionalism that I can, especially if I continue to do outpatient in the future. Then this is critical. I know the basics of stages of grief and things like that. However, I'm really looking forward to this course going more in depth with like the stages of grief and again how to work with individuals who are grieving, who are experiencing loss, um, and then to just really use it within my current and future career in social work. So I look forward to seeing what the class brings. Thank you.